Well, hi guys, welcome to this week's tutorial. This is a collaboration video with Susanna, which has a channel here on YouTube, and I will drop the link in the description box below. And her channel is called Susanna's Hobbies, and she's a very talented crocheter, and I thought maybe we could do a collaboration together. In this collaboration, we chose one project from each other's channels. So I chose a project from that she had already done a tutorial on her channel, which is this tulip in the round skirt, and she chose a project, a bag that I have already done a tutorial on my channel. So in this week's tutorial, actually, you won't see me doing this skirt. If you like this skirt and you want to try it and do this skirt, which is really a nice skirt, it builds up very fast. So if you want to do this skirt, you just click on the link below. I will drop in the description box the link of the tutorial of this skirt, and then you can just follow that tutorial and then you can do the skirt. And if you are here because you are dropping by from Susanna and you know from her channel about my channel, I hope you are liking the content of my channel, and I hope you are considering to be a subscriber. Okay, so I want to do a very quick review of Susanna's channel, and she is not only into bags. She does many different kind of crocheted projects like skirts and cords and different things. So that's why I was very curious to do a collaboration with her. And so let me tell you what was my experience following her tutorial. So yeah, it was very easy to follow her tutorial. She just gives very clear explanations, even though she does it in Japanese and then in English. But yeah, you can understand everything there. She's very clear with what she does. Also, another amazing thing was that she can tell you the chain numbers that you need to do for the foundation stitch, and she can also tell you and explain to you how she does that calculation, which is really good because you can use that for other projects as well. So it was very easy for me. Her skirt over there is a long skirt, but I did it a short one because I want to use it for summer, and the long ones, they don't really go well with my body structure. So I think the short one is perfect for me, and I can use it daytime in the beach, or I can use it nighttime, go out in the evenings. So for this, I have used a 100% cotton, mercerized cotton. I will drop the link in the description box in cream color, and I also used a 3.5 mm hook. I know it's a little bit big hook for this kind of yarn, but actually if you want to have the same counting of Susanna, you must use a 3.5 mm hook, because my experience was that I did use a smaller hook, and then here the foundation stitch was really small, so the counting from there you can't use, which actually you shouldn't use a small hook, because this kind of model, it's kind of bulky. So if you are going to use a small hook, it will become like really tight, all this together, so you can't really see. And actually this is perfect, I think. Yeah, from my experience, I had to use 3.5 mm hook if I wanted to achieve the same look that I saw at the video of Susanna, and I was very pleased with the result. And yeah, I can follow her tutorials very easily, and I do recommend 100% Susanna's channel, so just go there and check her channel. You definitely should check her channel. Okay, so this is this week's tutorial, and I hope you enjoy doing this skirt. If so, just drop a comment in the comment section below, or you can just tag me on my social media, Instagram, Facebook, and or you can just send me pictures via email, and yeah, I would be very very happy to see your results following Susanna's tutorial. And I hope on your way out you are going to give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and you know the drill. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, and check my Etsy shop for patterns. So I will see you on my next one, and thank you for watching.